Bharatiya Mathematics, the topic which Manika Maheshwari will be discussing today is linear equation in two variables. Let us break the entire term and see what each and every word mean. What is equation? Statement where I am equating two quantities is called equation. Two variables. It means two unknown quantities are involved in my equation. Linear. Linear means degree of polynomial is 1. It means the degree of both the variables will be 1 only. The power of my unknown quantities, let's say x and y, a and b, will remain 1 only. Let me start with linear equation in one variable. Suppose I have gone to a fair. I have taken a ride for which I have to pay 5 rupees, and in total I have paid 20 rupees. But I don't remember how many times I have taken the ride. I can say this quantity as x, and I can easily find I have taken number of rides 4 times. Now, suppose I have taken some 2 rides. My first ride was of worth 5 rupees. I don't remember how many times I have taken that ride. My second ride was worth of 2 rupees. I don't remember how many times I have taken that ride also. But I do remember again in total I have spent 20 rupees. Let me fill. See, I have taken 2 different rides. So I have to take 2 different variables, and cost of each ride is also different. So number of times I have taken this ride and this ride will matter, and it have to take them as a separate variable. Now, if I have to get the value of this x and y, can I get it through this one equation? Actually, there are infinite number of values of x and y's which satisfy this equation. Suppose I have not taken this ride at all, that is my number of quantity for this ride is 0. Then I have taken this ride 10 times. What I am doing? I am putting this x as 0 here, and then I am getting corresponding y. Suppose I have not taken this ride at all. Then my corresponding x, the number of times I have taken x is 4. Suppose I have taken this ride 2 times. Then my corresponding ride for y is 5. See, actually there will be infinite set of x and y which satisfies this equation. But I want a particular value which I have spent here. So I need one more condition. If you see, this will give me a straight line, and this plotting you have already done in 9th grade. So each and every point on this line is satisfying this condition, but I want that particular set which I have spent. Now I remember that I have taken this ride 3 times lesser than this. That is, my y was 3 more than x. Now somehow I can get a specific value of x and y, the number of times I have taken ride through these 2 equations. Basically, if I am having 2 variables in the equation, I need minimum 2 equations to get the specific set. And what do I mean by specific set of x and y? Why I am not considering the infinite values? Because I want to get that particular set. See, actually this will give me a line, and this will also give me a line. I am just drawing a random lines. These are not the lines specific to these equations only. Now, if I have 2 lines, how many times they can intersect? if they are intersecting. See, this is the point where two lines are intersecting and it is diverging on both the ends. Even if I extend it for 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, it will never ever merge again. So, two lines can merge maximum at one point only. If this is the case, again, my line will merge here and again they will start spreading. So, for two equations, I can have only one and only one solution. What do I mean by solution? That there will be only one set of x and y which will satisfy both the equations. And which is that point? This point, if you see, is lying on this equation also and this equation also. So measurement of the values of this particular set of x and y. This is my x and this is my y. With the solution of these two equations and I will get the exact value of the rides I have taken. Let me go back to my previous example only where I had 5x plus 2y equal to 20 and y equal to x plus 3. Here I have found few values of y corresponding to few particular values of x, and when I have plotted that on graph, I found that these two lines have intersected on particular value 2, 5. So this I took as my two rides. Number of time I have taken my first ride is 2, which I can see will satisfy this equation, and number of times I have taken my second ride is 5. So actually I had spent my 20 rupees which is coming out here. Actually, if I need to know a particular set of x and y's, then I need always two equations and the common value of x and y which is satisfying both the values is called solution of linear equation in two variables. It is nothing but point of intersection of the two lines, because this point, if you see, lies on the both lines and there can be one and only one common point for two lines. So one way to find the solution of linear equation in two variables is graphical method, which we have done here. But it is always not very easy and convenient to find the solution from this method, because plotting and all always takes the time and you necessarily not be having graph every time. So we have other methods also. So for finding the solution of two equations, linear equation in two variables, that we will discuss in my subsequent videos. I hope